Yeah, so you've just seen the glory of the Russian Federation truck right there. I found a shotgun here through this heli crash that I luckily found while I was driving around. Um, but yeah, it drives pretty well. It's not too fast. It's a little hard to steer, but you get used to it. Some scopes here I found as well. Actually, a lucky heli crash, really. Um, Other than that, the trucks are still kind of in development stage, but I'm really glad they put it in there. Finally, we have some, vehicles. Well, a vehicle. Um, Here, I'm just gonna loot this heli crash, I guess. Some magazines here. And I've actually even stored the truck in a building. Yeah, here I'm gonna drive it into a building. Okay, I'm gonna speed this part up because I just had a really hard time trying to get the truck in the warehouse. So you can see here, it's kind of like when you go over the elevations, it still kind of stops and jams into things. So it's not completely 100%. But here you can see it's inside the warehouse and stored pretty well. I'm just gonna close the gates, the doors, whatever. And here you can see it, it's stored inside. And I can't wait until we have servers that can keep vehicles and they don't disappear on restarts and stuff like that. It would be pretty cool. So there you have it, guys. Thanks for watching.